another beautiful day, and I thought it would be fun to bring you all along and show you what a typical day of my life looks like. So, for today's vlog, I'll be with my classmates and we're gonna practice a song with our band for our teachers. Let's go!
Si Audrey parang fries. Yung boses niya ay napaka-crispy. Crispy kasi maangas. Maangas kasi yung boses niya.
Mala, tigre. Kaya bagay na bagay sa kanya yung song na Believer.
Sabi sa'yo eh. Parang yung mga performance mo so far, para mas naangat mo pa mula doon. Nag-step up ka sa challenge na gawin yung song. Kapag yung mismong performance na, kailangan mong balansehin yung power. May tendency na minsan nakakain natin yung salita. Naiintindihan ko, mas mahirap siyang gawin dito kasi mabilis yung mga salita.
Parang nadarap ka na.
So I guess, kung meron kang ipupulido, clarity ng salita. But the rest, solid na siya eh.
She takes on the challenge at talagang ginagalingan niya at hinuhusayan niya kahit mahirap yan.
Yung difference ko po sa kanta ko po is maangas po and punong-puno na po ng confidence. With my sing-off performance, I'm one step closer into fulfilling my dream.